Taking a look at Chainlink, we can see that Chainlink is potentially forming a head and shoulders pattern, which would suggest that a break of the neckline would confirm a much larger move to the downside. Now, the original neckline for Chainlink would be considered here, which we have just broken down below, which this may be the first signal that Chainlink is going to move back down to $8. In order to avoid that from happening, we need to see Chainlink get back over the 236 retracement, which is potentially now going to be the same trend line that acted as support. That would suggest that as long as Chainlink is below $14, we can actually speculate that the price will move lower into the $9 to $8 range, and getting over the 236 would short-termly avoid that price, and in my opinion, only getting over the 382 retracement for Chainlink could we avoid the breakdown of the head and shoulders pattern. In the event that Chainlink does break over $16, we would actually invalidate this price, and you can see that again, the wick fill down here is around $9 to $10. So getting over 16, in my opinion, would actually confirm that that price is invalid, and a much larger rally to $23 will take place. However, that would still be considered a lower high, and is heavily contingent on what the price of Bitcoin is doing at that time to determine if it is actually still considered bearish. But again, in the short term, as long as Chainlink is below $14, we can speculate that the price will continue to move lower, and only getting over $16 can we argue that the price is no longer bearish, in my opinion.